Hello glass industry, it's Mark from Glass Open Book, and today we are not in the studio and I'm not alone. And here we have Sophie. Sophie, probably most of you know her, so could you introduce yourself real quick?
Hi, I'm Sophie Major from Sonicam. Nice to meet you here in our exhibition. Our exhibition is in collaboration with the company Spolanski, very specialized in the welding equipment. So we have both combined our forces to meet the growing demand of our industry for innovations and new products.
Perfect. And who are these wonderful people today?
These wonderful people today are from all over the world. I mean, all the people who can travel due to the restrictions we have.
Yeah.
So we have our commercial subsidiary from Germany, from Italy, from Spain, from UK, and from France, obviously. And also we have invited all our customers.
Perfect, perfect. And maybe could you tell a few words about the new products that you present here at this event?
The big innovation we are presenting today is the laser cleaning. To clean the molds, we also have welding equipment for the repair and the coating of the molds and the spare parts of the mold shop. We also have polishing equipment as well as scanning machine to compare the drawing with the reality of the parts.
I see. So maybe we shall have a short tour across them.
Of course.
Okay.
This is S2 CASPER. So this machine is for polishing of the molds and plungers. It is working with vibration, so it gives you a fine polishing. It is working with ceramic and porcelain chips and also working with oil, so there is no risk for the operator. There is no use of detergent or no water. Also, you are able to put either 6 molds or 10 molds into the machine. Or you also have the possibility to use a plunger kit to put plungers inside. This arm is a new product from Sonicam to help you handle molds, for instance, to load it in the machines. Very easy to use, going down, going up. And also there is this little magnetic tool to take the molds and put it directly into the machine. This machine, PLASMABOX, is a welding equipment to repair the edges, the neck ring, and also the internal cavity of the mold, neck ring, bottom, all the spare parts that needs to be repaired. This innovation was awaited by most of the glass plants, laser cleaning, to help you to clean your parts without damaging the molds or any parts. The idea with this single cabinet is to load in here the parts and go inside, and then you clean molds with the laser in a couple of minutes. This machine is a single cabinet, and the idea in the future is to have more than one cabinet, and for instance a robot that will load the molds of each cabinet. This equipment is a scanning machine which compares the drawing, 3D drawing, with the reality of your parts. So the idea is to enter first the drawing into the software of the machine and then to make a real comparison between your parts. So you can do pretty much everything with this technology. Mold volume, diameters, heights, all the dimensions, and also the wear and tear areas. At the end of the process, of the scanning process, you will have the result. Like in here, all is in red, means that you are out of the tolerance that you have set in the machine. With this technology, we will be able to see exactly where to act into the molds, where to polish the molds, and to act really where it is needed. This machine is a laser cladding, more dedicated for the mold maker. It helps you to make the coating into the parts, on every part. I mean bronze, steel, stainless steel, and the coating is in nickel. So this cabinet inside, you have a table to move the part in and out, and the idea is to make the coating with a small amount of nickel powder. Totally automatized solution. It will help you to save money on the powder, nickel powder, and also on the coating time. This technology is an induction heater to preheat the molds, for instance, before going to production in the IS machine, so dedicated for the glass plants. Instead of using a big oven, the idea will be, when you have job changes, only a few molds, only to use this technology. It is very economic in time and cost saving. It will take, for instance, only a few minutes to preheat the mold at 400 degrees. Also, it will be very helpful for the mold makers when you have to preheat the molds before doing the coating on the parts. Sonicam is also offering a wide range for hand polishing. We do have some equipment, electrical equipment, MOVIX electric motor, for instance, which is an electric motor, very easy to use. The idea is to change very quickly the tool holder. So you equipped your tool holder with the abrasives and then have the possibility to change in a couple of seconds your abrasives. Running till 25,000 rotations per minute, you will be able to manage the speed via the pedal. Also, we have a range for pneumatic equipment. Motors like this, different size available. We also have some sole for horizontal polishing. Everything that you need in pneumatic equipment, we can supply. Also, we do have a wide range of abrasives, rings, flap wheel tools in different materials. All you need to do is ask.
So that's it. That was the event of Sonicam here at Spolansky in the middle of France. Everyone was super warmly welcomed to this event, and they could have the opportunity to see the new machinery available, to test them out themselves, a lot of workshops, a lot of people who are ready to help you to answer all the important questions you may have regarding the machinery available. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn, and don't forget to check out the new products from Sonicam right on Glass Open Book. It's been Mark from Glass Open Book. See you very shortly. Goodbye.